This video is about the product, Morse code. Morse code is a method of transmitting text information as a series of on-off tones, lights, or clicks that can be directly understood by a skilled listener or observer without special equipment. It is named for Samuel F. B. Morse, an inventor of the telegraph. The International Morse Code 1 encodes the ISO basic Latin alphabet, some extra Latin letters, the Arabic numerals, and a small set of punctuation and procedural signals, prosigns, as standardized sequences of short and long signals called dots and dashes, one, or dits and dars, as in amateur radio practice. Because many non-English natural languages use more than the 26 Roman letters, extensions to the Morse alphabet exist for those languages. Each Morse code symbol represents either a text character, letter, a numeral, or a prosign, and is represented by a unique sequence of dots and dashes. The dot duration is the basic unit of time measurement in code transmission. The duration of a dash is 3 times the duration of a dot. Each dot or dash is followed by a short silence, equal to the dot duration. The letters of a word are separated by a space equal to 3 dots, 1 dash. And the words are separated by a space equal to 7 dots, 1, to increase the speed of the communication. The code was designed so that the length of each character in Morse is approximately inverse to its frequency of occurrence in English. Thus the most common letter in English, the letter E, has the shortest code, a single dot. In an emergency, Morse code can be sent by improvised methods that can be easily keyed on and off, making it one of the simplest and most versatile methods of telecommunication. The most common distress signal is SOS, 3 dots, 3 dashes, and 3 dots, internationally recognized by treaty. Hope this video useful. Visit www.productnewsgroup.webs.com for more product news. Thank you for watching this video. Share with your friends and relatives. Subscribe Products News Group in World Channel. God bless. Wish you have a happy life.